Right, my spidey senses says that Muzz might have something.
Got a lovely signal. It's on a 23 on a Vanquish, which is a cracker.
Yep.
So let's see how we go.
Okie do. There's some nice horses in this field. Well, over that field. All right, plug is out.
It's not in there.
Not in the
Right,
no
well,
plug.
still in. Right.
Right. Could this be a coin? Is it a coin signal, by the way?
It is,
On
yeah.
yours?
There we go, we're at the side there somewhere.
Right, coming in.
This is probably going to be, I'm hoping this isn't going to be a disappointment.
Well, I've got a 10 on it being a disappointment.
Well, we've had a couple of Georgians out, haven't we?
Yeah,
You've
had a bit of luck. Michael over there's had a little bit of luck. I think he's had a couple of coins, hasn't he? I've had loads of lead and a shotty. That's it.
Hang on, what's this? Oh, it's a buckle.
It's a buckle.
Le buckle.
They usually give off a good signal, don't they, Maz?
It's not.
It's not old.
It's not a great buckle, is it?
No. We're not big contacting.
Where's the coin?
Yeah.
My friend was lying to me.
Shall I call the British Museum?
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be one for the PAS.
Yeah, I think it was the buckle, Maz.
Yeah.
Right. What did I say? If this was not an interesting find, I would slap you for making me all the way over here.
That's a bit of a disappointment, isn't it? Oh well.
Well, you never know.
It could have been a lump of lead.
Yeah. Right, we're signing out.